In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly insert your logo into a Microsoft Word document, giving your documents a more professional and branded appearance. Having your logo on a document is a great way to make sure your brand identity is consistent and easily recognizable. Let's dive in and explore each step in detail to ensure you can follow along seamlessly. First things first, make sure you have the Microsoft Word file open and accessible on your computer. Before proceeding, check that your logo file is readily available. It's a good idea to have it saved somewhere convenient, like your desktop or a dedicated folder, so you can find it quickly when needed. Now with your Word document open, let's move on to adding your logo. Look towards the top of the screen where you'll find the menu bar. Here you'll want to click on the Insert tab. This tab is your gateway to adding various elements, such as images and graphics, into your document. Once you're in the Insert menu, locate the option that says Picture. By clicking on this, you'll be able to insert images from your computer into the document. After clicking Picture, a dialog box will pop up, allowing you to search through your files to find your logo. Select your logo file from its location and click Insert to bring it into your Word document. You'll see it appear on the page, ready for placement. With your logo now in the document, the next important step is to set the wrap text to in front of text. This setting is crucial as it allows you to move your logo freely on the page without interfering with surrounding text or other formatting. To do this, click on the logo to select it, then look for an icon that appears next to it. This icon represents different layout options for your image. Click on it and choose In Front of Text. By doing so, you're ensuring that you have the freedom to place your logo exactly where it needs to be on the page. Now that your logo is free to move, you can click and drag it to your desired spot within the document. Common placements are in the header, footer, or even centered on the page, depending on your needs and preferences. Take a moment to size and position your logo until you're satisfied with how it looks. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted your logo into your Microsoft Word document. Remember, incorporating your brand elements into your documents not only adds a personal touch, but also enhances your brand's presence and professionalism. Now you're all set to create documents that are both functional and visually appealing. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find this guide helpful for all your future document needs.